It looks like I'm live right now. All right. Well, just running through some data layer training stuff that I've been meaning to run into. This analytics menu. You can hear like cars and shit. Oh, there's almost a wreck. Yikes. That was rough. Going to be able to hear quite a bit what's going on. The city is not asleep, so I think we're just going to have to learn to coexist. You guys bear with me on the audio and everything. There's going to be music playing in the background eventually here. Got to figure out how to tie everything to OBS. Right now, I've got like an entire layout on OBS that shows my face and everything, but I haven't figured that much out yet. I think there's a way for me to hit like a chat here, comments. Whoa. I don't know what this is from. Let's not do that. So I was doing a little too much. I'm gonna back this up a bit. I don't want to miss anything. Okay. So what he was just showing was the ad swerve has an ability to inject a Google Tag Manager container for debugging. Comes in really handy, especially when, let's say, for me, I do a lot of audits, so I'll find out what's going on with the client site before I get too deep into working with them or whatever. One way, without needing to ask for permission, is you can just inject your GTM code, container code, start troubleshooting there. That's what he's showing here. AdSwerve is a Chrome extension, as you can tell. He's talking about using regex. Okay, so I think I'm going to go ahead and uh, use the music app. Actually, I have a music app here. Perfect. Then I don't have to share everything. Let's jump back. Let's see if we can get us some copyright-free music going. All right, cool. Awesome. Thank you, Annie. So something that's interesting that he's doing right here, showing different things you can do with the form submit trigger. I remember we were talking about form submits as a team and just having a form submit error trigger essentially, or an event inside of GA4 where you can kind of see how many people may have attempted to submit that form, but it didn't work, or they were trying to input false information. It doesn't seem on the surface to be the most useful type of thing, but it's so easy to build once you already figured out your main form submit tag and trigger combination. You can also use that to kind of understand if your site is being attacked or your forms are being attacked. You got any weird stuff going on, GA4 will catch it. So GA4 will be able to catch anomalies and flag it pretty quickly so you can know at least. This is what a thank you page. And I mean, like he was saying, with all this information, if I jump over to BHT, let's see if I have anything here. Let's see if I got a test place real quick. So if I just use this, I could actually, I want to use that other one. It's empty as hell. Anyways, yeah, let's do this. Let's say we do a form submit. Boy, oh boy, y'all about to see me set everything up. It's all good. Not too worried about it, guys. Let's go here. It's not going to work correctly because I don't have this testing environment set yet. Obviously, I can go here. Probably smarter to just create a variable. So I don't have to show that to everybody every time. Oops. Look something like that. Jeez. All right. Then you got fields to set. You can put user ID and things of that nature there. You can also use user properties for even more customizability. Bro, I don't know what's going on with my typing right now. Okay. Then let's say this is my form submit. Classic. I could actually add it here. Form submission. I can check for validation. So let's say that I wanted to use some built-in variables for that. Hold on. Let's back up. Stay here. Let's just save this for now. Oh gosh. Okay. Standard. That's all forms. So this isn't the most specific, and this is just as basic as it gets. So it would look like that, right? But if I wanted to get access to more, I'll do that later. If I wanted to get access to more variables, I could just go to variables here. And then from here, start configuring all my built-in stuff so you can toggle all pretty quick. And you're going to see some of this stuff. I'll go back through it in a second. But this is from the training that I was just showing. This is where you get all that information. You can go history, state change. I'm actually going to go read the documentation about history. And then they got percent visibility, on screen, duration, all that, right? So let's say that they scroll down to a form and you can see that it's been visible for at least, I don't know, 15 seconds. You can fire something that says they're hesitant or whatever. Let's do that. That'll be kind of cool. On screen duration. So let's jump back. Let's go here. Inside of my event parameter, I can have On screen duration is here. And this is, again, this is the form submit trigger. So this is going to have to go off in order for us to see this. But I could say, just call it something very simple like form on screen. I can do, obviously, form ID. You just type form, and then everything will pop up. So everything that I would want, from class to ID to target to the URL, you know. And I like to just put these in so I can think about what I want each to do a little bit later. And that can look something like this, right? Okay, good enough. And this is going to happen on a form submit. What if I created a trigger like that? Let's see something. I can do this, manipulate here. Remember, this is a trigger. And this is in milliseconds. Seconds to milliseconds. Don't judge me. So let's say I want to do, I don't know, let's go 10 seconds. Just do this, jump over, jump that in. Of course, I want to observe DOM changes, and I don't have a specific ID. I guess I can do whatever the form ID, I can have that populate here. That would be good. Something like that. Okay, so notice there's a form submission and then there's this trigger. So this is going to trigger and it's going to fire a tag. I don't want it to fire the form submit tag, but I do want it to fire an event. I can also scroll through here and there's plenty of interesting stuff going on here. There's even got Google Flights conversion tracking going on. I don't know what the hell that is, but it's pretty dope. So form visibility. Just quick. I've never done this, so not a form visibility specifically. Interesting. There's something to build, an actual official tag for it. For now, I'm just going to create an event. So there we go. Form visible 10 seconds. Here's my config tag. Say here. And then I want to trigger this based on everything I just set up. So it will look something like this. Right. Now I have this trigger set. Yeah, and it's here. So there's a lot of changes that I would be approving here, but it's just a test site, so not really a big deal, but it's there. I'm just showing you exactly how to do this stuff. It's not too hard. It's more about figuring out what all would be valuable in your use case and going forward from there. But I think that'll do it for my first one. Let's see how long that's been. What, 30 minutes? Yeah, I'm not sure. 20 minutes. Cool. I'll go a little bit longer. I don't know how far behind they are. I don't know how far behind. Okay. Yeah. Got it. I just got to figure out how to play some music so it's not super boring. Let's see. Okay. And there is a section for background music. Yeah, that's annoying. I want my music to play, man. But all right, we'll just let that do what it does. You can name it anything, or you can name it dynamically. Okay. Check this out real quick. Yeah, refer variable. That makes sense. This is universal analytics. If you know, you know. Seen that layout. Pass it through with the data layer. Love data layer. This is great. It's a GTM event, so this is naturally happening due to history change. Single page application. So single page application, that would be in a situation where you're not going to flip over to a thank you page, or you might have a message just flash on the screen, but there's just not a change to the URL itself. Right? You can use a history change trigger and push things into the data layer. That's the drawback. It's pretty dope. You can also set it to put the information into a cookie. There's ways, basically. Just depends on how deep into it you want to go. They got Ajax stuff going on. They got a data layer, playground. Just trying to better understand, not that part. Something like this. Login, user info. What's the object? I'm not sure if I'm following this. Let me read this. User info as an object. Okay, yeah, that's what that part is. And then this is user ID, pricing plan, session number. Okay, let's see. Login, pricing plan premium. Then I need a session ID and remove this password situation. Also, I have to put a comment here. Oops, didn't mean to do that. This is hard coded. Oh, this is hard coded. User info is the, okay. And then we should be good now. Let's see. Yeah, I did it. Jeez, took long enough. All right, cool. I like doing those little in-screen tests. This is solid. I love this. I love learning this way. Let's see if I can figure out a way to make this interesting for the viewers as well. All right, thanks. I'm gonna bounce now.